Now we'll see equivalence of Mealy and Murray machine. As we know that if every Mealy machine there exists equivalent Murray machine and vice versa, means I can convert Murray machine into Mealy machine, or vice versa I can say. It is possible because they are equivalent in a power. Suppose now let's say the mechanism how to do that. Mealy machine conversion, how to obtain Mealy machine from given Murray machine. As we know that Murray machine, the output is associated with the only state, right? In the Mealy machine, output is associated with the state as well as input. What we have that we have written on the transition. So we would like to find out the transition along with the output. Let's say M1 is my machine, call it as a Moore machine, Q sigma delta, output set, delta transition function, big O. I can use here big O as a notation to define the machine function. Okay, Q0 is the initial state. Then its equivalent Mealy machine will be containing same set. It is a tuple because they are same in the power. Only change is that output function, big O or O dash, right? O dash contain how to calculate that O dash or output machine function. Output can be achieved, or what is output associated with the state. We know that from the Murray machine I can get the output associated with the state. So now with that we have to find out the input associated with the state by using the formula big O of dash QA means transition function we have to find out. Okay, for all A belongs to alphabet set and for Q belongs to the finite set of states. So by using this equation we can find out the we can generate the Mealy machine. Let's say one example. If I have this machine, okay, what is state? How many states are there? As per the definition, we have finite set of state Q0, Q1, Q2. Inputs associated with are there is a transition on 1 and 0. So input alphabet set is a 0, 1. What is output associated with the state? As this is a Murray machine, output is associated with the state. If you have seen like this 0, 1 and 2. These are the outputs which are associated with Q0, Q1, Q2 respectively. Now, delta transition function is given with the help of transition graph. So I can or we can define for, let's say Q0 on 0 goes to Q0, on 1 it goes to the Q1, likewise. Okay, so by applying that, now this is Murray machine and I want to convert it into Mealy. So in the Mealy machine, output is associated with the state as well as input alphabet set. So instead of writing like this on the state, we will write along on the transition itself. Okay, so how I will convert this? Prior to that, I should know what is the output associated with the each state and the after reading particular symbol. So state on 0 and 1, Q1 on 0 and 1, Q2 and 0 and 1. All the things we need to calculate with the help of this previously given example formula, I can say. This is what the formula we have. Based on that, we will calculate for all the things. So let's start from the first Q0 on 0. How we'll do that? Let me, okay, fine. So by applying that big O of transition on Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0 goes to Q0. So we will like big O of O Q0, and big of O means output associated with Q0. We know that here it is 0, so we like 0. Now Q0 on 1. So we'll start from initial state always. So big O of delta transition Q0 on 1. Q0 on 1 goes to Q1 here on 1. So we will write here big O of Q1. Now Q1 with Q1, 1 is associated. So output will be 1. We'll repeat the procedure for remaining two states Q1 on 0. Now delta, and we'll start from the initial state Q0 on 0, and here big O of delta Q0. Now instead of Q0 I will consider Q1. Q1 on 0, Q1 and 1. Similarly, Q2 on 0, Q2 on 1. You will get 2, 0, 1, 2. Right? So now from that we have to draw the diagram. That will be the Mealy machine. And in the Mealy machine, how we will do that? See here. We'll come to know in the next diagram. See, if this is what Mealy machine we have. Now here we will write on the transition. Q0 on 0 goes here, Q0 on 0 goes to Q1. So we will write Q0 on 0 goes to Q0 on 0. Output is associated 0. Now instead of writing on the state, I will write along with the transition. Right? So this is how we have written. So Q0 on 1. Instead of that, I can rewrite this. Let me just check it out. Yeah, something is went wrong. We'll have to wait. And this is how we can complete the diagram. Oh yeah, Microsoft PowerPoint is restarting. So now instead of this the overwriting, I can time being Control X, I will can cut it for your understanding. Say start from the Q0. I can draw here Q0. Okay, on 0 it goes to Q0 itself. Okay, and output associated is 0, so I will write on the transition. Now Q1 on 1 goes to Q1, so on 1 it goes to Q1. Output associated is 1, so instead of the writing with the state, we are writing on the transition. Fine. Now Q1 on 0 goes to Q2. Q1 on 0 goes to Q2, and output associated with the Q2 is 2. I will write it here. Q1 on 1 goes to Q0 back here. Output associated with Q0 is 0, so we will write like this. And then Q2 on 0. Q2 on 0 goes to Q1 here. So we will write on Q0 here. Output associated with Q1 is 1. So here it is 1. Q2 on 1 goes to itself. So we will go back here. Output associated with Q2 is 2. I will write it here. Fine. So whatever we get, final, this is my Mealy machine as my output is associated with the state transition. Okay. Let's take one more example. Fine. Here again I have given already the output of the Mealy, or we have achieved equivalent Mealy machine from the given Moore machine. That is also simple, looks complicated. See Q0 on the 0, for your understanding you can pause and see it again. Q0, I will talk only about the single state. Q0 on 0 goes to Q0, so I will write here Q0. Output associated with the state is given here. It is 0. With the Q1 output is 1. With the Q2 output associated is 2. With Q3 output associated it is 3, and with the Q4 output associated is a 4. So that is what we have to remember while moving. Now Q0 on 0 goes to itself and output associated. So we have written like this. Here 0/0 is written. Why? Because output associated is the 0. Then on 1 it goes to Q1. So on 1 it goes to Q1. With the Q1 1 is associated. That's why we have written like this. So similarly you can complete the remaining diagram. You can pause and see it, and you can solve at your own. I will take one more example. Current state. Now instead of transition graph, you may come across with the transition matrix. From that we have to identify whether it is Mealy machine or the Moore machine. Now here in the transition matrix, what is given in this graph, we have a states Q0, Q1, Q2. Next state, that means this part is a transition matrix. And additional one part is output associated we have. That means this is a Muri machine. Okay, with the Q1 output associated is the 0. With the Q2 output associated is 0 again. With the Q3 output associated is 1. So we have to achieve the milli machine. So we know that same function is written over here. Q0 on 0 goes to Q0 and output associated is 0. Q1 on 1 goes to Q2 with the Q2 output is associated with 0. So it's written like this. Fine. So medium similarly we can achieve here this. Okay. This is what another way to write. Earlier we write have we written Q starts Q0 on reading A goes to Q1. So Q0 on 1 it goes to itself, and bar, how to write it? I have written output associated is Z. Earlier I am writing like this. Another way to represent is 0 and 0. After reading input, what is the output? This is another way to do the representation. I hope you understood. Okay.